Good morning, everyone. Today, well, we recently picked up the Toyota Prius 2010s. You can say third gens. Uh, uh, Today, a couple days ago, it thrown a engine code that, so we had to replace not replace, clean this EGR cooling. So yeah, I bought it from eBay. Just have the spare one, so that way I'm gonna go ahead and clean that, and then I'm gonna pull the other one out, and then we just swap it to, so that way it take long. And then today I just spend I say somewhat all the stuff that the cleaning supply, some other stuff, and even though the little plug in the end right here, uh, it's about $80. I mean, all the tools that I need. So uh, so I plug it in, so we soak up with the I'm gonna try this first, uh, B12, whatever, the carburetor choke and throttle body cleaner. So that I'm gonna try that. I talked to one of those auto part. They say, but they recommend these things here. If I'm soaking it. So the reason I plug it in, so I can spray it here, fill it up with this stuff here, and let it soak. So it's hopefully it break it down. And meanwhile, let it soak down. I am gonna replace the spark plug, and also take the air intake, clean that also, because they together. So I'm gonna do that. Then about time, hopefully this thing is clean, and I'll let you know when the result come up soon. More likely they I mean, of course, everybody have this problem on a Toyota Prius, the EGR valves, especially third gen, the older model. So it is pain in the butt, but one of those things you gotta do. So last week I did the clean the hybrid battery cooling fans. That's not too bad. The fan was not look too bad, but I'll go ahead and clean it anyways. And that way I know it's clean, because summer's around the corner. It's gonna be hot. Where's the trunk is, battery located. So I know his batteries, the fan is clean, fully functioning. So that's a start. Now today I am gonna try to do the EGR. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, but today I'm gonna pull out the air intake and clean that also, and also change spark plug. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna let you know how it's clean. It's pretty dirty in there. Just let you know.